Hi there. Welcome to Chef Nico's Kitchen. In this video, I will show you step by step how to make delicious oven-baked and pan-fried homemade Italian meatball that you can simmer in your favorite marinara sauce for 15 minutes for a nice pasta with meatballs dinner with your family. Don't forget at the end of this video to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, so that you won't miss any new upcoming video recipes. For the ingredients and instructions of this recipe, see the section below under More. Gather all the ingredients and start this recipe by finely mince the garlic, chop the parsley, the basil leaves, and set aside. To avoid eggshells in your meatballs, crack and beat the eggs into a separate small bowl before adding to the mixture. For the most tender and moist meatballs, use white bread soaked in milk. Cut the crust and dice 2 slices of white bread, and let soak in milk in a mixing bowl for 3 to 4 minutes. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and line a rimmed baking sheet with parchment paper. If you are out of parchment paper, use aluminum foil well coated with olive oil. In a large bowl, combine the ground beef and the ground pork. If you are using ground pork, add to the ground beef, and move to the next step. If you are using Italian sausage, with a paring knife cut and remove the casing from the sausage links and add to the ground beef. Give the two meats a light mix to blend them together. Add the eggs, chopped parsley, chopped basil, diced garlic, grated cheese, Italian seasoning, and salt and pepper to taste. Add the bread soaked in milk mixture, and a little more milk if needed. Mix together until just combined. Do not over-mix. If your meat mixture is too soft or sticky, add a tablespoon or 2 of breadcrumbs. And if your meatloaf mix is a bit dense or hard, fix it by adding a tablespoon or 2 of milk. Brush the prepared baking sheet with olive oil and shape the mixture into 1 1/2 inch balls and place them on the prepared baking sheet. You can use a medium-sized mechanical ice cream scoop for a speedy process and shaping the meatballs, ensuring they are all uniform in size. Wet your hands with water or oil and gentle roll your meatballs. Working with damp hands will prevent the mixture from sticking all over your hands and fingers. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius until fully cooked, and reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius, about 18 to 20 minutes. If you are pan frying the meatballs, shape the meat mixture into 1 1/2 inch balls and place them on a flat tray. Pour enough oil into a large skillet to coat the bottom and place over medium-high heat. When the oil in the pan is hot, add as many meatballs as will fit in without crowding the pan. Brown the meatballs on all sides, and cook until the meatballs are firm and cooked through, with an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius, about 10 to 12 minutes. This meatballs are great on their own, or over pasta with tomato sauce, or dipped in marinara sauce as an appetizer. They even make wonderful meatball subs for tomorrow's lunch. After about 18 to 20 minutes of baking, your homemade Italian meatballs are ready to serve. These flavorful baked meatballs are so tender that they practically melt in your mouth, and pair perfectly with a bed of pasta or in a scrumptious sandwich to make up for the ultimate comfort meal to brighten your day. These Italian meatballs make for great make-ahead dinners and meal prep as they store well in the fridge or freezer. To freeze your meatballs, simply cook them as per regular instructions, and let them cool completely before storing them in an airtight container. They will be good for up to 3 months in the freezer. To serve make-ahead meatballs, thaw them in the refrigerator overnight and reheat them in sauce or in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If this video was to your liking, give it a like, thumb up, and subscribe to this channel for all upcoming video recipes. Thank you for watching.